Another Epic Flows production.
Media. Yes, man.
Walk out door at the ass back in the house, but you do. You do your homework yet? You do your chores yet? You turn 18, so you think you're a big woman now. Every day you're gonna walk out you and that monkey. That damn monkey.
Oh, Dora, tell your mother figure easy.
Oh God. Ever since you start par with that monkey, you not listen me again. Me not trust monkey, you know. You see how monkey put Michael Jackson in a problem? Me not trust monkey.
Kids, can you spot the bitch?
But in them boots, a sexy man look. Jesus Christ, Dora, sexy starter, pick me mind you breed. Jesus save the pilot me. Dora, no carrying a baby coming at Dora. What kind of disgrace you try bringing for me name? Oh, Jesus, me heart hurt me. Madre. Look, stop the madre foolishness. You is not Spanish.
But you say me a born Spanish.
Me say you born a Spanish town. You is a Jamaican.
Anyways, calm down. Me a 18-year-old now, so stop treat me like a little picnic. What about I'm my best friend? We nah have sex.
Friend zone, you put me in a door? Friend zone?
But me pregnant for Tico. Oh, Jesus.
Yo, you don't know say this a stick man attack, you know. And the cartoon I brought you by Kevin Too Crazy. I see the link I done so click it maybe. So click the link, I will see your alternative ending. Click the link right now. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like it. When Stickman talk, no man walk. Yo, Kevin Too Crazy. Tell them about the Dora beat now.
Big up Double D Beats, the producer all the way from St. Martin. I ain't met the Dora beat. Listen. Big bad dog. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Another Epic Flows production.
Media. Yes, man.